New insights on manifestation. Understanding the science behind manifestation. Manifestation is often seen as a mystical or spiritual practice, but there is also a scientific basis that explains how it works. Two key areas to explore are the subconscious mind and quantum physics. The subconscious mind. The subconscious mind controls a significant portion of our thoughts and behaviors. By reprogramming it with positive affirmations and visualizations, you can align your subconscious with your conscious goals. Techniques like repetition, visualization, and emotional engagement are effective in embedding new beliefs into the subconscious mind, making it easier to manifest your desires. Quantum physics. Quantum physics suggests that our thoughts can influence the physical world. The concept of the observer effect implies that the act of observing can change the outcome of an event. This idea supports the belief that focusing on positive outcomes can help bring them into reality. Visualizing success and abundance can create a vibrational match with your desires, attracting them into your life. Modern techniques for manifestation. Visualization. Create a vivid mental image of your goals. Engage all your senses to make the visualization as real as possible. This practice can help bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired outcome. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goals, especially before going to sleep and right after waking up, when your subconscious mind is most receptive. Affirmations. Use positive statements to reinforce your goals. Repeat affirmations daily to build confidence and reinforce your belief in achieving your desires. Ensure your affirmations are specific, positive, and stated in the present tense, such as "I am successful and abundant." Gratitude practice. Cultivate a habit of gratitude to shift your focus from lack to abundance. Regularly acknowledging what you are grateful for can increase your overall sense of well-being and attract more positive experiences. Keep a gratitude journal and write down at least 3 things you are grateful for each day. Vision boards. Create a visual representation of your goals using a vision board. Include images, quotes, and symbols that resonate with your aspirations. Place your vision board where you can see it daily to keep your goals at the forefront of your mind. Ancient wisdom for manifestation. Ancient Egyptian practices. The ancient Egyptians believed in the power of symbols and amulets to attract specific outcomes. The Ankh, symbolizing life and energy, was often used to invoke protection and vitality. Incorporating symbols into your manifestation practice can serve as a powerful reminder of your intentions. Hindu practices. Mantras and meditation are integral to Hindu spirituality. Repeating mantras can help focus the mind and align your energy with your goals. Use mantras like Om Shri Maha Lakshmiye Namaha to attract abundance and prosperity. Buddhist practices. Mindfulness and meditation are key components of Buddhist practice. Being present and fully engaged in each moment can help you become more aware of your thoughts and intentions. Regular meditation can enhance your ability to focus on your goals and manifest your desires. Conclusion. Manifesting abundance is a powerful practice that combines modern techniques with ancient wisdom. By understanding the science behind manifestation and incorporating practices like visualization, affirmations, gratitude, and meditation, You can create a life of wealth, success, and happiness. Embrace these methods, stay consistent, and watch as your dreams transform into reality.